So let's talk about syrup. Its full name is maple syrup. I've never covered this coin. It's sitting at 43 cents right now. And it had a pretty awesome life in recent past. What has happened is that on Binance it was launched at 14 cents, and on the same day it went to $1. Now while it dropped dramatically afterwards all the way down towards the area of 20 cents, it has again started rallying and it has gone up and hit 47 cents. And that's why now maple syrup is kind of a hero in the market. When you look at its charts, it looks like this coin has done 200% in 90 days, and everyone is going crazy about it. But it's a good start. So let's talk about how old is this coin. This coin is launched in November 2024, so not that old. 2 months, 5 months here. That's 7 months. It's a 7-month-old project, not that old. Its max supply is unlimited, which means that they can create as many coins as they want. The total supply is 1.1 billion, and right now their circulation is also, the total supply is 1.18 billion, but their circulation is 1.1 billion. So it's not that far. I think the circulation and the total supply is there at the same time, which is good, to be very honest with you. A new coin that has totally released all of its tokens, I would be happy with that coin than a coin that is slowly releasing coins over next 5-10 years. I would rather have that coin release everything on the day of launch if they could, instead of introducing that inflation later on and then destroying the overall economy of the project. But one concern that I do have is that as they have unlimited supply, I think that begs the question that are they going to mint more tokens or not. But if we ignore that, I think that from the perspective of inflation, maple syrup is amazing. I would give it that. And if I had seen this coin previously and I had seen that it has no inflation upcoming, and I had seen that it went to $1 and then it dropped towards 20 cents, I think I would have pretty much purchased it as well, because it's a very sensible decision to go ahead and do that. Now, Maple Finance, they have launched themselves in 2021, and it's an on-chain asset manager with decade of traditional finance and crypto experience, which is the same old bullshit. So they are, as the name suggests, finance, so you can pretty much guess they are DeFi based project. Now, over here, I think it would require digging a bit more deep into maple syrup to find out that how are they doing against their competitors like AAVE, or you want to call it Aave, Aerodome. Then you have another coin, it's called XVS. XVS, I forgot its name. The ticker is XVS. They are in this DeFi niche as well. You need to see that how is maple syrup going to go and fight against those existing powerful people. But right now, I think that the way this thing has grown in terms of trust, that is amazing. People have staked around $1.3 billion on maple syrup, a coin that is so new, that is only 7 months old. People have such kind of trust in it, and then on top of it, it doesn't have inflation. I think this is a win-win. On the surface level, I can say that the fundamentals of the project, just on the surface level, I'm just looking at it and I'm making video. I don't bother looking into coins at my own time. My time is really expensive. I record and analyze at the same time. I think that on the surface level, this thing is amazing. I really see like what I see. Just on the surface level analysis, I would say that the fundamentals for this coin being a DeFi, I think they are amazing. I don't think I have seen any other coin that has all tick marks. but I think that maple syrup has all tick marks. So I think this is a big green flag on this, and personally I'm really irritated with coins that has with the coins that have inflation, and I think that is what is turning me on this coin, is that inflation is not there. So I think of course I'll not buy it at 40 cents. I'm a bit arrogant when it comes to stuff like this. I would rather wait it out, and then I would go and invest in this coin when it would drop towards at least 20 cents there, and I think then I will go and I will jump onto this coin. But seriously, good project, not just good project, really great project. And it has seen actually lower prices. It has seen prices around 9 cents, for the love of God. It has seen 9 cents around April. Yeah, in the drop of April, when the market went, when Bitcoin went to $74,000, this thing was sitting at 9 cents. Damn. Yeah, it looks like a miss. But summers are around the corner, so I think that there is an opportunity for investors to get in. But that's enough for fundamentals. Let's talk about TA. Let's talk about graphs for the sake of traders. I only talk about fundamentals when I'm covering the coin for the first time, so I will not talk about maple syrup later on. But again, I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing. Now let's talk about maple syrup. Well, it's simple. We are going to use the area of 40 cents, which is a psychological support area, as long as it says 41, but I mean it's TA, but I'll use this psychological support area of 40 cents. As long as it holds 40 cents, I would expect it to shoot up towards 46. But if somehow maple syrup fails to hold on to the area of 40 cents and it closes 2 daily candles below the area of 40 cents, I would expect it to start the downward journey and drop all the way down towards the 31 cents, and you can call it 30 cents. It's easy to remember as well. And that's pretty much it. At 30 cents, things will look really, really juicy, because it will end up creating a double top structure, because it already has, can you see? Yeah, you can. One top, it will turn around and create another top. I'll just make it like this. It has one top, it will create another top, then this will be the neckline. If life is kind to us, it will deliver on it as well, and maybe we will see it around 10-15 cents again. This time we all will jump onto it. But anyway, jokes apart, I think that if 40 cents holds, I think it will go and hit 46, and then it will hit 50 cents, and it can continue to do its upward journey. I don't know how the team and marketing and the overall hype is around this coin, but from the fundamentals point, it's a good project. I think if you are really in love with this, from TA perspective, it's clear 40 cents matters. If 2 daily closings happen below 40, then it is dropping towards 30, and then I'll come back and I'll update you. But if 40 holds, then your first target is 46, next target is 50 cents. Again, coming back to fundamentals, for fuck's sake, it's first time I'm making a video that is 9 minutes. I generally don't like to stretch videos, but it's worth it. So from fundamentals perspective, I think if you are in love with this coin, hold your horses and at least wait for 20 cents before you start investing in it. A good range of buying would be from 10 to 20 cents. That would be a good place to buy. Buying above 20, it's still good for some people, but I wouldn't recommend it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.